Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be covering how to do a squeeze page. Now, once you are inside your funnel, what you want to do is create a new funnel step. And that funnel step is going to be created right here as a new funnel step. Call it whatever you like. In this case, it's going to be a squeeze page. And give it the path that you wish for this one. After that, just create the path and create a funnel. And then go to opt-in, email opt-in. You have plenty of templates here, so you can download as many templates as you like. What I do is create it from blank, my model that I want to use in my projects. So I know that I usually use two kinds of squeeze pages, and they all go from the same way, same style, but then I adjust the branding. So what I do is just create a simple template of my own, just so then later on I don't record with any bugs, and then create it, save them, and use it over and over again. Now, for this case, I'm going to be showing you just a quick, fast model on how to do a squeeze page. Now, this part here, you can use a logo. It doesn't matter which logo it is. I'm just going to be using this one. And you can, of course, adjust the design later on. After that, what you want to do is just add a column with a headline. This headline, of course, it's going to be a little bit bigger. Then you add another one or just go for the paragraph. And this paragraph is going to explain a little bit about what it is, right? And then what you want to do is just add two elements, right? The input and then another input, but this one is for the email address and the first one is going to be for the full name. Now here, of course, you adjust it for the full name and you give it required. Following? Awesome. Now for the next one, just a little touch here, which is necessary, which is the button, and the button needs to be set action to submit order. Now you have everything that you need. The only thing that I advise you to do next is just create a footer with the information that you like. In this example, I'm just going straight forward for something really easy, which is copyright 2020, and then funnel savvy or whatever your brand, and then all rights reserved. Right now, what I recommend is if you set up the section and the structure that you like for your squeeze pages, you then go ahead and save the structure right here, save them, and give them the name. What I recommend for the structure is the full page, all right? This top part here, then the header right there, okay, and then the footer. You can use the footer for all your projects and same as the other ones. Now there's other ways to do squeeze pages. Of course, you can do another way. Let's say that you want a little bit different. So what I really recommend is just go for this other way to do squeeze pages, and then you choose whichever you like the most. Okay. Now here there are some things that you need to be careful, like the amount of information, for example, and stuff like that. But in this case, I'm just going to explain the structure, and then here it will be the image, and there it is. Okay, another structure a little bit different of that one, which you can use right there. If you don't like the inputs right here, you can just remove the inputs from this part. You need to add the button, and if you want, the button can be aligned on left. Okay. And adjust a little bit, all right? And then when they press the button, instead of being submit order, just open the pop-up. And for the pop-up, what you want to do is just add the same things that you added there. So let's add a column, and now you can add a headline. Just remember that. You can add an input and then duplicate the input. This one is going to be email, and that one is going to be real simple, the full name. Of course, you adjust the text to guide your client, and then just place it required. Here you do need a button, so let's add a button, and this button needs to be set to action to submit order from. And just like that, you have a squeeze page made.